So January 1st, 2025, I decided to fund a Moomoo account with $100 to prove to you it's not about how much money you have in your account. It all comes down to the strategy and approach. So in today's video, we are going to be doing an update on this challenge because guys, we took our first trade. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. And if you guys are watching this video and you're like, who is this random guy? My name is Carter. I am a full-time swing trader in the stock market and I have been for over 7 years. And with that being said, we do have an amazing school that I teach people how to trade. We offer private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat. It's like a college course. We even have a final exam. It's fantastic. We teach you how to trade. We teach you how to find stocks like this that we're going to be talking about today. So check that out down below, and you guys can get 51% off by using code CHALLENGE. Code CHALLENGE for 51% off. So make sure you guys click that link, sign up, and let's start trading together. So guys, let's jump into this. This past week here, we did take one trade. Now, we grew our account about 3%, which is fantastic. I will take that any week, any month. Now, the reason I say that is because if you guys can make 3% per month, you are already better than 95% of traders in the entire world. So given that this past week, and actually the past 3 days, we took a trade and we made about little over 3%. Fantastic. That's awesome. That's exactly what we look for. So our total account right now is sitting near and around $103. So let's go. And I know people are watching this video and they're going, you only made $3. Yeah, I only made $3. It's profit. It's better than nothing, and it's 3%. So I can't be mad about that. So right now, total account sitting there around $103. So let's turn to the computer and see the stock that we recently traded here. All right. So the stock that we bought here was ticker symbol ENB. You guys know we traded this with our larger account as well, and the stock has been moving. It's been grooving, and it's been very, very good. But why did we buy this stock? So before I ever take a trade, I want to make sure that this stock has and follows our strategy, follows our checklist to ensure that, one, it's not just a random stock. It has some sort of quality aspect to it. So one of the first things I do here is I go to the daily chart here and I look at the trend. You guys will notice that this stock does have heavy support here on the blue and yellow lines, which is what we call moving average lines. The yellow is the 50-day. The blue is the 90-day. So in an ideal situation, you would want to buy on the 90, the 200, on pretty much all of them, but what's more important is previous history. So you always want to look back and look at previous history. And, looking back, you guys can see history on the, 50, history on the 90, history on the 200, So, it does have a nice spread of stock. So that's the first thing, right, is an upward trend that has sold off down to some level of support. The next thing here is RSI. At the time, the RSI was trading for about a 32. The last time it was trading for a 32 was back in here, and what happened? Huge buying pressure. So I know we were in the clear here. Now, the next thing that I always do here is I want to go to a lower time frame because one time frame could be telling you one thing, and then the next could be telling you another here. So looking at this, if we remove all these moving average lines, you guys can see just this general sell-off. What we're looking for is resistance of a minimum of 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So definitely classifies this as resistance. So now here, the stock popped up above this, and this right here would have been the absolute best entry point, but we didn't get in there. We actually got in when the stock pushed up above these moving average lines, and that's what we did. So now here, the thought process I had was entering here, keeping our stop loss about 1% from its current price for a possible push up to resistance at about 44. So the risk and reward for this is 5.1. So let's talk about that for a second with that $100 account that we're working with. So let's go ahead and do this. This is why, guys, I absolutely love Moomoo. Is because they offer that risk and reward calculator. So if you guys want to sign up, you guys can get up to 20 free stocks just by signing up. Moomoo's an awesome broker, guys. So click that link, sign up. I'll put it down below. All right. So now here, looking at this here, we're starting out with $100. Imagine we take a trade like this once a week. with risking. In this circumstance, we risked 1%, but we'll actually say 2% just for the time being. And then the risk and reward we said is about 5 to 1. Imagine when you guys take a trade, 60% of the time you lose money, so your winners are only 40%. So at the end of the year, your total account is sitting there at around $396, which might not seem like much, but this is exactly what you look for and what you want. Profit is profit, quadrupling your account. That you can't beat that. You can't beat that. And a lot of people will come to these videos thinking that I'm going to be turning $100 into $1 billion or some absurd amount of money. When in reality, I've seen traders turn $100, into 2,500 and then back down to zero and then back up. But what we're looking for is consistency in growing, and not trying to be risky, not trying to, like burn through an account. We're trying to be consistent and profitable. And that's exactly what our plan is for 2025. So now stock's rallying its way up. We're just continuing to move our stop loss up and up and up. So now right here is going to be our stop near and around that 43 mark. So if it does dip down below that, we'll just take our profit and we will move on to other opportunity here. So, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys want to sign up with Moomoo, I'll put a link to them down below. If you guys want to sign up for our school where we talk about stocks like this, click that link down below. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass, and we'll see you guys in there. Take care, like, subscribe, and let's make some money this year.